afternoon and welcome back to Life in Every Season. Today we're going to kind of give you a little decorating idea that we have in our house. I am one of those strange people, and my husband's the same way, that we really don't like to have curtains. They close up and take up too much space in the window. So we do mini blinds. That way we can have them all the way up and have all of nature looking into our house. So today, in our renovation, we are going to have, my husband's going to install some new mini blinds. And you can see we have a new framed-in window. We framed it with pine slider windows, and the blind is going to be recessed inside of the trim work here. So with no more ado, I'm going to go ahead, trade the phone with him, and show you guys how he does this.
Okay, these are big box store blinds. It has open this end. These are nice because when we started buying these things when we first got married 38 years ago, they had cords. These are the cordless ones. One of the things nice is the boxes up front of your brackets and your screws. That's why I said this in first. So we've got a blind and the adjustment one for, and that's it. I have templates set out here. When you put these brackets in, there's 3 to hold this size. I don't know if you can see this, but you're not going to be able to put a bracket right here. The way these work, they need to go under that lip. So off center it just a little bit. I've held it up here, and I know to go just to my left of the center of the window. And no, I'm a normal man. I do not read instructions. They give you a handy marking template.
Okay, slow down so I can let them see that.
And I'm going to hold it right on the edge where this trim board meets what trimmed out the inside of the window. Go mark the middle of the holes. We'll go, like I said, just left of center. And we'll get this side. I'm going to pre-drill the holes with a 1/16 of an inch drill bit. A lot of that's because that's the smallest drill bit I got right this minute. All my small ones seem to break. So we'll do that real quick. This is not like building cabinetry or something. You can get it a little off. It'll still work. There's a little bit of play in the vinyl mini blinds. And these holes, the bracket holes, allow you a little adjustment too. And it's nice. These are some of the nicest ones I've found from the big box stores. They actually have a piece of clear double-sided tape to hold these. You can see your holes you've drilled. I don't know if you're not blind like I am, but you can match them up and they'll hold themselves up while you get your screws ready. I have not found a set that does this. This is fantastic. Those of you that have installed mini blinds will know what I'm talking about. So we got one more. It's harder for me to get the double-sided tape off than it is to probably get them installed. Okay. Now we're going to put the screws in. Okay, take a look at them, make sure they look reasonably like a 90-degree angle to the front. They all look close enough. Alright, a little tip is make sure where your adjustment wand connects goes to the front. Yes, I have done it backwards. So you slip the front edge on and then push back. I'll try to get the spacing even. Push back till it snaps. Yep, that's pretty even. You've got your adjustment wand and you have blinds.